So I dug through my closet looking to make Disney princess inspired outfits, and I surprisingly came up with 6 recognizable looks.
The palace walls.
But Jasmine, you're a princess.
Then maybe I don't want to be a princess anymore.
Maybe what I really wanted was to prove I could do things right, so when I looked in the mirror, I'd see someone worthwhile.
Don't worry. I'll be all right.
My name is Pocahontas.
And that's all for this video, guys. Don't forget to let me know what outfit was your favorite in the comment below, and remember to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss out on the next Disney princess video. And remember, you can be a Disney princess no matter who you are, as long as you enjoy yourself and express yourself to the fullest. You can be whoever you want to be. Thanks for watching again, guys. Okay, bye!